It was not always easy being a woman and being given an equal opportunity to my husband, who was obviously a man. Our transitions were never pre-planned. We really decided to really go for it and take advantage of those opportunities. When Gary and I finished our training, we could have stayed in Boston at the hospitals where we trained, but we had an opportunity to go to Ann Arbor, to the University of Michigan. Now, the safe decision would have said, no, I'm going to stay in my cocoon, I'm going to stay in my box. But I chose rather to take the risk, to give it a try. I had the opportunity to advance my career in a way that I never anticipated. First, always follow your passion. You know, science is difficult. There'll be a number of frustrations, and one needs to have the persistence and the courage and the motivation and the spirit. I have to say I'm a big Tom Brady fan, and some could say that Tom may not be the most athletically gifted, but he has incredible focus and discipline. I've been a real champion of being a positive deviant. Be comfortable deviating from the norm, because that's how real scientific progress is made. Be optimistic and hopeful. Something good will turn out. You know, you really got to have fun along the way. Gary and I have just started a new biotech company. Our company may be a huge failure. It may be in 2 to 3 years, I go, well, you know, there you go. On the other hand, we may develop something that has great potential. And that's the excitement, that's the joy, and that's what continues to drive us forward. And what's beyond that, I don't know.